Hello, I'm Meenakshi Ambati from Charlottesville, Virginia in the United States, and I've discovered a potential treatment for a disease that causes blindness in millions of people worldwide. Atrophic macular degeneration, or dry AMD, is a horrific blinding disease that can rob a person's ability to read, see faces, be independent, and even their very humanity. It affects 15 million Americans and 200 million people worldwide, more than the number of people with Alzheimer's and most cancers combined. Almost every family has a parent or grandparent with dry AMD, but sadly there is no treatment. Dry AMD affects the macula. The macula is the center of the retina that enables 20/20 vision. The retinal pigmented epithelium, or RPE, is the layer most affected in this disease. In dry AMD, toxic molecules such as ALU-RNA, amyloid beta, and excess iron accumulate in the RPE. They cause RPE degeneration by activating a multi-protein complex called the NLRP3 inflammasome. Over the past 20 years, hundreds of clinical trials for this disease have failed. So, I made this huge unmet medical need my focus, and I discovered that the antidepressant drug fluoxetine, also known as Prozac, could be the solution. It could become the first drug approved for this blinding scourge. Using molecular modeling, I determined that fluoxetine binds NLRP3. Fluoxetine also completely blocked RPE death. I also analyzed 3 health insurance databases of 130 million people and found that people taking fluoxetine had a 17% risk reduction in dry AMD. That translates to tens of millions of people worldwide who wouldn't develop it if they took fluoxetine. And compared to traditional drug discovery that has high failure rates, repurposing fluoxetine for dry AMD can also shave years off the time and billions off the cost. I recently published these findings in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, and I'm hopeful that other scientists will be able to expand upon this work. Communication is crucial in the scientific community to ensure that we can build upon each other's findings and make the world a better place through scientific progress. And my invention of using fluoxetine to treat dry AMD has been licensed to a biotech company which will launch clinical trials. My discovery is even more exciting because many other diseases are also driven by the inflammasome. Alzheimer's, multiple sclerosis, arthritis, and diabetes affect billions of people around the world, and it's tantalizing to consider repurposing fluoxetine to rid the world of these scourges too. Thank you very much for your interest in my project. Stay well and be safe.